Hey guys, it's Kitty by 88. I'm back with another wig review. A quick review, well, try on and review of this unit that I got from I Like Hair. Let's go ahead and try her on. I hear she is like super realistic and has a great realistic hairline, but this is a style that I never tried before, so let's get right into it. I'm super excited. So here is the box. I've definitely worked with I Like Hair before, and they always come through with a high quality box, which I love. And this box features like this little slide out. So I love this box and I love the packaging. So let's go ahead and take the units out. So this is like a bob crimp style. All the exact information will be below in the description box. And true to I Like Hair, it has a super realistic hairline. So if you guys can see, it has a super realistic hairline, and the lace is really good. Let me focus here. Okay, so it has a super realistic hairline, and look at that lace. Like, look how that's going to match with my skin. So I'm loving it, and this is a really true wear and go unit. You can throw her on and go, and as you can see, it's like, it has this crimp style, so super cute. I'm loving this crimp style. So I've never worn like a crimp bob before, so this is super exciting. So all it says is to tint the lace, throw on and go. I'm probably gonna cut the lace a little bit though, just to my liking, but here is another close-up, and it has a really good generous parting space. I can really only wear this middle part style, but that's okay because that's all I wear anyway, is middle part. But here is the more details about on the inside of the unit. It does have two combs next to like the closure area, and it's one in the middle that I rarely use, and it's one comb at the back with adjustable straps. And I would say this is like small to medium head friendly. It's not a super huge cap, which is good for me because I have a small head. But if you have a larger head, you may have to like not adjust the straps in the back. But here is the lace once again, and as you can see, it is really blending in with my skin tone right here. But I am going to put some, you know, foundation on the unit and just wear it and go. So let's really see if it stays true to its name. And look at these crimps, like this is so cute. I hope you guys can see it. Really cute. Now it does smell like somebody put like spritz on it and stuff like that to hold the crimp, but through shipping and everything, this is how it still looks. That's really good. And I Like Hair always have really high quality realistic units, so I'm loving it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, before we do, let's go ahead and do an unboxing of the goodies that come in the box. So you do get an adjustable strap as well. I love these, especially when I'm wearing my units glueless, because you just want to put a little bit more tension on the lace and kind of pull it against your skin so you don't have any like lace that's loose or floppy on your forehead. So that's really good. It does come with a comb and a wig cap. And of course, I Like Hair, a little goodie package here. So with a edge brush, a clip, a melting band, and then a little I Like Hair cute little clip right here for your hair if you want to like clip it on the side. It says I like, so super cute. So let's get right into the video and let's just throw on and go. Let's see how that goes, so stay tuned. Okay, here is the wig on. Like, I see where they were going. Like, I love the crimped look. I feel like this one should have been a little bit longer. I think if the length was a little bit longer, it would be even cuter. But I mean, it's cute, it's cute. I just have to do something to the edges because they are a little bit more puffy than I would like. I mean, you can wear it like this because it is like wear and go. Like, you literally you can't see the lace or anything. But me preferably, I would do a little bit more to the kinky edge area because it's a little bit too kinky for me. And I mean, it looks good, the lace looks good. It's just a little bit too curly, so I think it is gonna need some like tweaking before you like walk out the house. So is it 100% wear and go? Maybe not 100%, but it does depend on your preference. So let's slide her back. And like the crimps are cute. It's some areas that's kind of like more crimped than others, but I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to do it to where you don't have to do any styling to the unit, which I appreciate that. Like, and this is a very unique style. I had never seen a bob actually come with crimps, like pre-sold with crimps, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I would definitely have to do some tweaking to this hairline, add a little bit of foundation here to, you know, because the lace is so transparent. You see the cap and it like stops. So I definitely put some foundation here and just tweak it a little bit, and let's see the ending result. Okay, so I am back. So as you can see, I did a little tweaking to the unit. Like I said, I felt like the kinky edges was a little bit too kinky, so I just put my hot comb on it just for literally like a few seconds. And also, I don't like wigs that is like puffy at the top. So I just laid it down and made it a lot flatter. As y'all can see, this really looks like my hair now. It's less puffy and it's just more flat at the top. And it really looks like I crimped my own hair, and it is super cute. So I did put some oil sheen on it and some Mega Freeze like spray. And these things smell so good together, those two sprays. But oh my gosh, she is cute. And I had to put some big earrings on. They are perfect with bobs. I feel like big earrings are perfect with bobs. And look at her. She is so cute. Let me give y'all a 360. Like, she's cut nicely. Like I said, the crimps, I don't expect them to hold up perfectly in like shipment, but they held up really, really good on this unit. So I'm really excited with this unit. And of course, you guys, she is still glueless. I did not put any glue on this unit. I have a low hairline, so I kind of like took my edges out a little bit like in front of the lace and kind of adjusted it to my liking. I did cut a little bit more lace like in a zigzag pattern so it wouldn't look so straight, but you can barely tell really. But this looks like my hair. Look at how realistic this hairline is. And oh my gosh, it looks really, really good. It looks like it's mine. So is it wear and go 100%? No, I would say about like 90% wear and go. It's gonna be like 10% or less your own tweaking to it, to your liking. But this is a really, really cute, almost pretty much out of the box look. Just gotta spray some spritz, spray some oil sheen. You don't even have to do that if you don't want. If you want to flatten the top, you can. I just suggest kind of fluffing out the edges, at least brushing them back, fluffing them out, and just playing with that part just so it can look realistic as possible. So thank you, I Like Hair, for partnering with me with this unit, and all the links and information will be down below in the description box if you decide to purchase this. And yeah, thank you, I Like Hair. Thank you, I Like Hair, once again for sponsoring this video. And you guys, like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can always know when I upload new content. And also follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well. CutiePie88 on TikTok and CutiePie_hair on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time.